Hi, my name is Megan Mosholder. I'm an artist. I specialize in painting, sculpture, and installation. I have shown in France, Germany, Sydney, New York, nationally, internationally. I've built installations for Google. I've also built work for the Beltline here in Atlanta. I would describe my work as three-dimensional drawings using paint and light. I'm currently interested in mimicking twilight. I'm interested in the passing of time, the temporal qualities of twilight, the way in which light changes. I would say that I'm interested in light because of my training. Both of my degrees are in painting. One of the things a painter tries to do is capture light to create depth within their painting. That's why I started painting the string with an invisible UV. The string, when it's painted, transforms over time. The string is used as a way to articulate and outline site-specific spaces. So we're here in my studio at the Skylark residence. The Skylark property owners offered me this studio space and residency in exchange for a permanent exterior installation. I'm building this piece on a 4-story staircase. This work is in some ways similar to the work that I did for Google, which was also on a staircase. The idea is to activate the space and also engage the community. The property owners see it as a way of giving back to the community by creating a permanent art piece that can be enjoyed by the residents, but also by the people living in the neighborhood. It has 3 components. There's going to be the front part of the piece that has a flock of aluminum birds flying up from the ground all the way to the top of the sky as a way to lead your eye up. And then on the inside, there will be metal components that will be installed into certain parts of the staircase that will then allow us to go in and string those pieces with an 1/8-inch nylon rope that will be white during the day. As the sun sets, the black lights installed will activate the invisible UV, creating a glow and mimicking twilight, and therefore also mimicking the passing of time. The idea is to activate that space, make it look more a part of the property. I know that the owners of the Skylark wanted artists here. I'm one of 3. They wanted artists here to engage the surrounding community, and they believe that one of the best ways to do that is through art. It's kind of a dream come true installation because I live here on the property, and it means that my crew can come in and out of my studio with the gear that they need to go and work on this piece, and then I can very easily scoot over and check in with them, troubleshoot as problems arise. One of the other benefits about working here at Skylark on this particular piece is that I get to see it, I get to live with it. That very rarely happens. Often I've built work and it's sometimes only been up for a day or 2 before I've had to tear it down. Or often I will build something, like for instance, when I built the work for eBoog in Eastern Germany, I only got to see it for a few hours before it was over. So I don't often get to revisit my work except through photographs. Working with photographers, the best ones are able to capture the experience of what it's like to be in one of my installations, but it's not always the same. So it's hard that I don't get to see my work, so I'm excited about living with the Skylark installation.